Hello everyone, today I'm here with
Rodolfo Ledesma.
and we're going to talk about our 2023 Kia Carnival LX Plus. Let's take a look. So today we have my friend Rodolfo here ready to show us this vehicle. Let's see what he has for us.
Thank you, Tyree. Hello, everyone. I'd like to show you this beautiful, brand new 2023 Carnival LX Plus. And right here from the start, just seeing in outside, you have keyless entry, push, and it's already gliding, quick and easy. So let's have a quick look inside.
So Rodolfo, tell me what we could do with these middle seats here.
Okay, thank you, Tyree. So basically, for extra comfort, you can lean, you can move forward, you can move backward, both left and right side. And the best part here, you go in the middle row, you just slide in inside.
So Rodolfo, now we're here in the front seat. Tell me what I get.
Okay, here in steering wheel, I just give you a few highlights. You have cruise control for your highway driving, you have push button start, you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and the best part of it, it's wireless. Okay, so here we have wireless charger, we have heated seat, heated steering wheel. So, what more can you ask for?
Wow, that's amazing. Let's go take a look at the trunk. So Rodolfo, I have my Kia road bike, my bike rack. Tell me how I'm supposed to get into the trunk.
Tari, quick and easy. Even I'm handling this mic, you hold it like this, you have a lever down here, you put it down, and the best part of it, you have smart power lift key, and leave the rest to the car.
So Rodolfo, you mean to tell me I can have this cover here, some extra seats under there,
That's right.
and I can camp in this?
Absolutely. But that's not the best part. You can remove the entire second row seat, put a single bed there, bring your dog, and have a camping trip.
Wow, that's amazing. We have 7 Carnivals available for you. Get a payment as low as $310 bi-weekly on an LX.
So what are you waiting for? Come and visit us at 2620 Government Street at Kia Victoria.